of this robot is Arduino. And Arduino is an open source hardware and also software. The main communication between is Android application and Bluetooth, which is carried out by Bluetooth technology. Now we are discussing about basic block diagram of our robot. Firstly, when we enable the Bluetooth of our Android phone, then it sends a byte or it sends commands to this Bluetooth module, and then this Bluetooth module receives the command, and this command when go ahead, then it received by Arduino. Then Arduino decides where he has to send command in left motor, in right motor, or in both motors. This is Bluetooth module, this is motor driver, this is Arduino, and this is battery of 12 volt. There is another battery which drives this Arduino. Battery is used to drive both motors. Here are the circuit connections. First, we select how this circuit is connected. Here is Bluetooth module, and this is Arduino board. This is motor driver, and there are two batteries required to drive the robot. First, 12 volt for motor driver and 9 volt for Arduino. First, there are 6 pins in a Bluetooth module. State, P, RX, TX, ground, and VCC. The RX and TX pins are connected to Arduino board pins of RTX and RX, and ground is connected to ground of Arduino, and VCC is connected to 5 volt. This is available in Arduino board. So here the PWM pins. The PWM pins, which are also known as digital pins, these are input of motor driver's input. So these pins are connected to motor driver, and motor driver 12 volt, the positive of motor driver connected to 12 volt battery, and negative is connected to ground of Arduino. And there is one more ground which is connected to this. And the output of this motor driver is connected to our motors. That is left motor and right motor. How this robot is assembled? So there is Arduino, a 12 volt battery, and a motor driver. And there are two motors, and there are two dummy. When these two motors drive, these two wheels also drive with this. First, we see that how these are connected. So as I told to the connections, first we see that how this Bluetooth is connected. This is Bluetooth module. There are 6 pins in this. There are 6 pins in this. The RX pin is connected to RX pin of Arduino board. The TX pin is connected to TX pin of Arduino board. The ground of Bluetooth module is connected to ground of Arduino. The VCC pin of Bluetooth module is connected to 5 volt of Arduino. So these are connections of Bluetooth module, and we now connect our motor driver to the Arduino. So there are 4 input pins, and these input pins are connected to the PWM pins or digital pins of Arduino. These are PWM pins. First, the input 1 is connected to PWM pin 5 of Arduino. Input 2 is connected to PWM pin of Arduino, that is 6 number pin. Input 3 is connected to PWM pin of Arduino, pin number 10, and input 4 is connected to PWM pin of Arduino, that is pin number 11. So these are input pins, and the output of this motor driver is connected to our motors that is of 200 rpm. So how this is our motors connected to our motor driver, and these are the wires of motors, and this is output. So this is connected in this way. So there are 3 connections left, and 5 volt of motor driver is connected to 5 volt of Arduino. In Arduino there is one more source for power, that is here 5 volt, and the ground of motor driver is connected to ground of motor driver. And now there are connections left for 12 volt battery. So the positive of 12 volt battery is connected to this. Positive of 12 volt battery is connected to 12 volt of motor driver, and negative positive of 12 volt battery is connected to 12 volt of motor driver, and negative is connected to Arduino's ground. And this ground is also left, so this also connects to Arduino. So here we are connected all, and for Arduino there will one more battery required to drive this. So we connect a 9 volt battery to external power supply of Arduino. This is 9 volt battery, and this is connected.